Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our Kentucky kitchen. I'm throwing together, I don't call it goulash. I don't care what you call it. It's just hamburger, onion, green peppers, which I cut up a whole onion, about this size. Used a half a pepper and boiling about that much of the box, because that's a big box. And I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Now, when my mama would make it when we was growing up, she'd have macaroni and tomatoes or tomato juice. That was it. And it was good. We always look forward to it.
Yeah.
So I'm just adding a few other things to it and show y'all how I make it.
Yep.
I guess it would be a hamburger macaroni tomato dish. I don't know. But anyway, it's simple. Tastes so good. Now the macaroni's ready. If you're wondering about the spoon, if you lay a wooden spoon over a pot, your pot will not boil over. This acts as a water repellent, the wood does. So just a little fact in case you didn't know. Get this drained. I do not rinse my macaroni if I'm putting it in a hot dish, because you don't want it to stop cooking. I'm going to set this right here because that pan's hot. Now before I add that in, I'm going to go ahead and put some tomatoes in. And yes, I've got the big bad boy 17-inch skillet out. Going to turn this back up. This will feed a lot of people. And it is so good. Going to turn that up. Going to get the macaroni put in it. If you just got a small family, you could eat on this for days.
Just a couple of you, you can scale it down.
Yep. Whatever you need to fix.
There's a bunch of us.
You can add tomato juice to it if you want to. Whatever you want to add to it. We have hearty appetites in this house.
Yep.
And that hamburger meat, that was about 2 pounds.
Yep.
A ground chuck. It's meat we got at a fantastic meat sale at Value Market.
Yep.
And even though this is ground chuck, there was hardly any fat that cooked out of this. This is great meat. I could have used another pan or can of tomatoes. Just want to kind of get this all mixed up. There's nothing better than just simple cooked food. Just simple. Salt. Pepper. You can put whatever seasonings you want to in it. It ain't gonna make it bad.
No.
Now I know when Mom made it, there would be lots of juice in it. A whole lot of juice. And if that's how you like it, then add you more juice, add you more tomatoes. I don't really want more tomatoes in it, and I don't have tomato juice, so this is just how it's going to be, and that'll be okay. I think of some of the dishes Mom would cook when we was growing up, and usually we didn't have meat in ours because we hardly ever had meat.
Yeah.
We just didn't. Growing up, Daddy was a hired hand, so we lived on farms, but we didn't have our own meat on them.
Right.
So that's why we didn't have a lot of meat growing up. And I remember him making, when I was little, about $5 or $10 a week, working sun up to sundown.
Wow.
But Mama always made sure we had food. May not have been what we wanted, may not have been what people would consider proper food, if there is such a thing. I have to cook for 4 grown men in our house. I think I've told y'all that, and then there's me. And the men have hefty appetites. So that's why I cook huge portions. Sometimes there's some left over and sometimes not. I'm just going to keep stirring this. I think next time I might get me some tomato juice and add a little bit more to it. Like I said, I really don't want no more tomatoes in it.
Could you use tomato sauce? Like a can of tomato sauce?
I don't know if that would work or not.
Okay.
I don't know what it would do to the taste. It might not hurt. I don't know. You can hear it sizzling. Or it's heating up.
Yep.
I've got the burner between 5 and 4. You know what I am gonna do?
What?
Mom used to do this a lot. She used to rinse out the cans. I remember her doing this. That's gonna make it have more juice. Oh, I can't believe I forgot that. That's exactly what she would do. Rinse out her cans when she made chili. Yeah. Now there we go, that's better. And also, if you want to put cheese over it, you can, or you can let whoever in your family or loved ones want to put it on their plate.
Yeah.
So I've got cheese laid out over there, but I don't think I'm going to put it over it in the skillet, and I will just let you all put it on.
Okay.
So, oh man, so simple, but it tastes so dang good. It does. When I make recipes like this or just fix it up, it takes me back to my childhood. And I think when recipes can do that, hopefully it'll take you back to happy memories.
Yeah.
In your house. Maybe your mama cooked it, your grandma, great-grandma, that somebody cooked that. And you think, oh man, happy times. See, back when I was growing up, we didn't realize we didn't have much.
Right.
That's just how we lived. But
Like that time after we first got married, you made them coconut macaroons, and I felt like I was 8 years old again.
Yeah.
When my mom used to make them because it tasted just like them.
yeah, I make those around Christmas time. The coconut macaroons. They're so good and so easy to make. Just gonna let this get heated good. Gonna get me a bowl for my sweet air to be my taste tester. Well, I got my I've got that up on my shoulder. Oh, heavens to Murgatroyd. Yeah, that helped adding that, rinsing out those tomato cans. Don't forget, you can always do that, and it is not going to hurt anything at all. Hope y'all having a blessed day, and we are blessed.
Yep.
Truly are. Truly are.
And this might be a shock to you, but I'm going to go ahead and put some cheese on mine.
It's no shock to me. People that's watched us know it's no shock. And if y'all looking at my crazy glasses, I may have told you I had cataract surgery last Tuesday. So, had it on this eye. Well, this lens got taken out. I'm having this one done in the morning, and after that I won't be able to wear these until I'll have to wait until they clear me to get my new glasses, because I am going to still wear glasses, but the prescription will be so different.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. Ooh, that's smelling good. I love this big 17-inch skillet.
Yep.
I cannot thank my friend enough for sending us this.
Yeah. It's awesome.
We've got a 13-inch skillet, and we thought it was big until we got this one, and man, oh man. Just gonna let that, oh, you can smell that pepper and onion, and you want a fork then or a spoon? Fork?
Fork.
Time you put your cheese in.
Yeah.
Let's go make it thick. This is what he's gonna put on it, the Colby Jack. You can put any kind of cheese you want.
Not the whole bag. Maybe half, but not the whole bag.
Yeah, maybe so. You're just gonna let this heat up until it's good and warm. I think we're gonna be eating on this off and on today.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and get you a bowl of it. It's bubbling. Just let this simmer for a little bit. It ain't gonna hurt it at all. I know people call this goulash. I may have said that and everything else, but you know what? You just call it what you want to, as long as you call it good.
Yeah.
I know from experience. Just keep piling on the cheese.
That should be good.
Get that stirred in for you. Okay. Okay.
Alright. Let's see. Mix it all up there.
My sweet Eric's my taste tester. He's my camera guy.
I haven't fallen over yet from anything, so that's good. Are you good?
Good.
It is good.
Well, folks, I hope y'all can make you some for you, for your loved ones. And I hope y'all enjoy it. And I hope you have a blessed day, and we love y'all.